Hi guys, welcome back to Money Mindset, the channel that gives you valuable content on wealth, making money, and generating passive income. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on the upcoming videos and grow your own money mindset. In today's video, I will give you 15 ideas to start an online business. I'm pretty sure you want to know these. Number 1. Become a transcriptionist. If you are a good listener who has good typing speed, then this job is for you. As a transcriptionist, all you have to do is listen to an audio file and convert it to text format. Many companies search for transcriptionists who can save their time converting an audio file to text format. Number 2. Go freelancing. I guess most of you were expecting this one on the list. If you have a skill and are good at it, freelancing can help you make good money. Freelancing is nothing less than starting a business where you earn through your skills. You can be good at anything: video editing, writing, graphic designing, or anything. You can monetize your skills through freelancing. Many people freelance in different ways. Some people favor looking for clients offline through email marketing, LinkedIn, and other professional platforms, but some rely on freelancing sites. I've been freelancing for quite a few years now, and in my experience, it is good to work on freelancing websites because there are high chances to get some clients there. High-paying freelancing sites are Fiverr and Upwork. Before creating a profile, you can do your research and look for high-paying skill jobs available on these platforms. You can also look for competition in your stream of jobs and set your price accordingly. It might be challenging to find your first few jobs on these platforms, but there is no way back once you start getting jobs. The beginning might take some time, but it will not be difficult for you to fetch more clients and make money if you are good at what you do. You will be amazed to know that the percentage of freelancers has risen from 8% to 36% in the past couple of years, which is remarkable growth. Moreover, more people have been introduced to the world of freelancing, and there are vast chances of growth in the percentage by the end of this year. I have usually heard people saying they were earning well through freelancing, and then they got stuck in numbers, or they stopped getting as many projects as they got before. They want to know the growth hacks. My growth hack in freelancing is continuously upgrading my skill. The world is changing every second, so you should also be up to date with the skills you are paying. Keep on learning new things, explore different dimensions of your work, your skill, and enjoy doing what you do. Number 3. Conduct webinars. During the lockdown, everything went online. While staying at home, people are determined to learn different things from experts. If you are good at something and you have thorough knowledge with some experience in that field, you can share your knowledge with interested candidates who want to learn that skill. It can be anything: consultation about freelancing, content writing, designing, time management, and many such things. People are earning around $1,000 per hour by offering these sessions. You can also make a living by conducting webinars and sharing your knowledge. Number 4. Become a voiceover artist. For years, this job has existed among us, yet you may get surprised to know that people hire professional voiceover artists to give voice to their videos. The videos you see on YouTube where no face can be seen and only the graphics and images depict what the voice is saying. Some people cannot find good voiceover artists that you can provide them with from your network. If you have a good voice and think you can do the voiceover, you can buy some tools and learn some software to provide a professional voiceover. You got it right. Professional voiceover artists deliver the project edited from software that gives a bit computerized touch to their voice. If you are new to this business, in the beginning, you can provide your clients with the services of an outsourced artist, and when you feel like you are well versed with the tools, you can provide them with your voiceovers. Number 5. Start trading cryptocurrency. The world is changing now. Everything that seemed to exist forever is of no more use to us. People are now getting more and more digitalized, and so is our currency. There were times when only a few people knew about cryptocurrency, but on this date, half of the world is behind cryptocurrency. We all know digital currency is the future, so why not get on it now? Why not start trading cryptocurrency? If you think of a side hustle with a long-term approach to fulfill your life goals, trading cryptocurrency is the best option. After all, it only takes a laptop, a good Wi-Fi connection, and good knowledge about trading in cryptocurrency. Number 6. Get into email marketing. Nowadays, all of us receive emails and newsletters from different companies, magazines, and newsletters. Email marketing has now become a source to keep you updated about the events being organized by an organization. Moreover, email marketing has also become an excellent source for spreading the word about what's happening around. If you are a blogger, you can update your readers about your recently updated blog. If you are a freelancer, you can contact clients through email marketing, and this platform has influenced growing startups and businesses. Number 7. Start your e-commerce website. In today's advanced digitized world, if you want to mark your brand's presence online, it is essential to have a website. No doubt, social media helps you reach a massive audience, but a website has its own part to play in brand reputation. You can make your products available online on your e-commerce website so people from worldwide could discover your product and purchase a quality product from you. Number 8. Become an online educator. Online educator. The world is getting digitized every day, and online tutoring is its best example. Today, many online schools and classes have been launched online. Students do not have to leave the comfort of their home to learn new skills, revise mathematical problems, and gain some extra knowledge. Online tutoring resulted in benefits during the pandemic. When everyone is worried about how things will turn out, the online educators did not let the students' futures suffer. If you have command over a subject or two, you can become a full-time or part-time online educator. Number 9. Become a YouTuber. YouTube is at its peak now. It is one of the top 5 most used digital platforms. Whenever someone has to learn something, get motivated, and take a break, they turn to YouTube. If you have mastered a skill and can share your art or knowledge with others, YouTube is the best platform. I know you must be thinking about the YouTube algorithm and the requirements you must fulfill before monetizing your account. You have to satisfy those requirements, but there are many other ways to start making money from YouTube before those requirements are fulfilled. For instance, you can start affiliate marketing in your channel's niche and collaborate with brands. If you are super active on your channel and move ahead with the trend, you can make good money from YouTube. Number 10. Give solution to problems. Are you the one who always occupied the first bench in the classroom? Do you still remember what you learned in your classrooms and what you read for your knowledge? If yes, then you can bring your ability to use to earn some extra money by answering questions posted by students online. You will find questions about different subjects on sites like Chegg and Course Hero. When you answer a question on these websites, you earn a particular amount on every answer marked helpful by students. Number 11. Create educational courses on Udemy. Nowadays, people suggest creating an online course in which you can teach skills or subjects to other people who are willing to learn that skill or subject. An online course is the easiest way to reach such people who are actually willing to learn something. If you are all set with your online course idea but don't know where to upload it, then Udemy is the answer. Udemy has its own user base, so you will not have to worry about marketing your program because students trust Udemy for quality services. Number 12. Start investing. For a better future, you should learn how to invest money because it is the only way to make money from money, making the most out of it. No doubt, you have to be careful with your money while investing, but investing has its perks, so start with understanding the basics of investment. Number 13. Become an online life coach. In today's advanced world, people are confused between things. They are unable to make the right decisions for themselves due to many options in different fields present in front of them. If you have experienced some incidents in life, or you have a professional degree as a life coach, or has tried different paths in life in terms of career and faith, and your advice end up being helpful for other people, then you should definitely try becoming an online life coach. The world needs people who can help them find out answers based on their understanding and experiences. Number 14. Build your Amazon business. Amazon is a renowned name in the world of online shopping. You cannot categorize Amazon in a particular category because Amazon has everything in it. You can start selling your products on Amazon or start working with Amazon Flex. in which you will have to pick and deliver products from one place to the customer. Number 15. Become a virtual assistant. With so many entrepreneurs building businesses, the demand for virtual assistants is increasing almost daily. As a virtual assistant, you'll do a variety of tasks. Writing, order processing, bookkeeping, social media, and customer support are just a few of the tasks you might be asked to do as a virtual assistant. You can earn money online on websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Indeed, or Upwork. Many virtual assistants have also found ways to make money online by reaching out to brands and entrepreneurs, asking if they're interested in hiring a virtual assistant. Using a combination of job posting applications and outreach, you'll be more likely to make money fast. Build an active social media presence on Twitter and LinkedIn to help you find new clients. Well, guys, that was it for today's video. Many thanks for watching it. Let me know how you liked it in the comments section below. Also, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned as I bring you more money mindset content. Hope to see you next time.